Sankranti is also known as Pongal. It is celebrated in South India, especially by farmers. It is also known as Festival of Harvest. Children enjoy this festival by flying kites. Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. It is celebrated in India. Sri Ramanavami is celebrated all over India on the eve of Lord Rama's birthday. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Rakhi Purnima. It is celebrated all over India. All sisters offer special prayers and ties colorful threads to their brothers to remind them the bond of brothers and sisters. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated all over India. Ganesh or Vinayaka is the god who removes all vignas or obstacles. Children should pray to Vinayaka to get good education and knowledge. Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated on the eve of victory of good over evil. It is celebrated all over India. In Bengal, it is the festival known as Durga Puja. Diwali is known as Festival of Lights. It is celebrated all over India. Children enjoy this festival by firing crackers. Ramzan is also known as Eid ul-Fitr. It is celebrated by Muslims. People enjoy this festival with great joy and greet each other with great affection. Christmas is celebrated by Christians all over the world on the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year. It is enjoyed with great joy, carol singing, and greet each other with gifts and cakes. I will become a doctor. I will become a scientist. I will become a policeman. I will become an architect. I will become a teacher. I will become a businessman. I will become a detective. Eyes, eyebrows, forehead, lips, nose, ears, neck, chest, hands, legs. Grandfather, grandmother. My home, my drawing room, my bedroom, my kitchen, my study room, my bathroom. This is a stove. This is a pressure cooker. This is a teapot. This is a hot pack. This is a teacup and saucer. This is a plate. This is a toaster. This is a flask. These are knives and spoons. Postman brings us letters. Sweeper sweeps our surroundings and keeps them clean. Plumber fits our taps and other sanitary appliances. Doctor gives us medicines and treats us for good health. Barber cuts our hair. Tailor stitches our clothes. Lawyer solves our legal problems in the court. Nurse serves the patients in the hospital. We travel by a car. We travel by an aeroplane. We travel by a bus. We travel by a train. We travel by a ship. We travel on a bicycle. We travel by a rickshaw. We travel on a motorcycle. Tortoise. This is a crocodile. This is a dog. The dog is a very faithful animal. This is a cow. It gives us milk. This is a donkey. It helps us in carrying goods. This is a goat. The goat gives us milk. This is a horse. The horse runs very fast. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us the wool. This is a duck. This is an eagle. This is a hen. This is an owl. This is a parrot. This is a pigeon. This is a sparrow. This is a swan. This is a peacock. This is a turkey bird. Is a mosquito. This is a brinjal. This is a cabbage. These are potatoes. These are ladies' fingers. This is a bottle gourd. These are tomatoes. These are onions. These are lemons. This is a mango. These are red chilies. These are carrots. This is a tamarind. This is a bitter gourd. This is a capsicum. These are green chilies. This is an apple. This is a mango. These are bananas. This is a watermelon. This is a pineapple. These are grapes. This is an orange. This is a melon.
One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
This is red color. This is green color. This is blue color. This is white color. This is yellow color. This is pink color. This is violet color. This is orange color. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a circle. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Breakfast is taken in the morning. Lunch is taken in the afternoon. Dinner is taken in the night. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth daily. Take bath every day. Going to school in time. Respecting elders. Communicating with others. Reading books. Praying to God daily. Going early to bed in night. These are traffic signals. Red for stop. Orange for alert. Green for go. This is a zebra crossing. This is a speed breaker.